Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by limiting scope. Decide which devices and apps you will erase history from and why. Once chosen, sign out and pause syncing so deletions don't propagate unexpectedly. Make a quick encrypted backup of anything essential. This preserves data without retaining history. Now open each browser or app's privacy settings and locate history and cache controls. Start deletion immediately. That first sweep removes obvious traces and prevents new data from being synced back into other devices. You move into a deeper clean by choosing appropriate time ranges. Select all time for a full purge or shorter windows if needed. Clear cookies, cache, form autofill, download history, and saved passwords because visible entries often persist in multiple places. Then run secure erase or privacy tools for residual files and local databases. They overwrite or scrub entries that simple deletes miss. Finally, reboot devices and repeat for each browser and app to make sure temporary stores are purged and not. You finish by verifying that deletions stuck. Open a private window, inspect history lists, and check any synced account activity pages. Once you confirm remote history is clear, re-enable syncing so future items go where you expect. If you still see traces, sign into the account's activity log or security settings and remove entries there, then reset app storage or reinstall the app to clear stubborn caches. A key troubleshooting tip: if history reappears, immediately disable sync and redo deletions from the main account dashboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.